My boy Chaz didn't want that $6 burger. How you doing? Yeah, can you fix my license? You know?
Hey.
Got how they mean?
Hey, he deserves it all for this. You see this?
I seen it.
Hey. Let me get these up. Hey, I need one of those.
For the low, they could be yours, pimp.
Hey, how'd you get that Maro Boyz going back?
The sticker? Oh, from Amazon. The little letters?
Is that all letters?
It's not a game what we doing nowadays. Sometimes you gotta step it up in life. Do things a little bit more positive. Big ups to my boy Miguel too. He came up here before he had to go to work. Show us some love. Appreciate that, Brody. We out.